down to age 12, and we're working on getting a catering service with the bar across the parking lot there. So we're going to try and set up a package where you come and you paddle and then you come back and change into dry clothes, or if it's nice and warm, not change and go have lunch and some sort of beverage. We won't tell anybody. Beverages, you're kind of on your own, so.
Not when you're driving the school van.
Yeah, well, yeah, then, yeah. Your adult beverage might not be an adult beverage.
So how much longer will you keep open?
As long as the weather and the water will allow us, and as long as groups will keep wanting to go down. So we're looking at mid-October now. And tomorrow's supposed to be 80. Unfortunately, my partner up there in the red helmet on the kayak, he has to move, so we're all dedicated to moving in tomorrow. I'm thinking though, if somebody calls me and says, hey, we got 20 people that want to go down the water, his moving might be delayed. For start, you know, we had a kind of a challenge getting everything purchased from the guy who owned it before. So we finally got all that solid and transferred everything. So we only started halfway through the season, and then he had his website, which was quite frankly offensive and abrasive. So we took that down, and then of course it looked like we were no longer operating. So. Not closed, yes. Because we had to retool the website and get some, you know, more welcoming information up, and so our marketing for, you know, was nil until mid-August. We still had a pretty decent year. Yeah.
You can advertise all you want, it's word of mouth.
Yeah. Well, and that's why I ask everybody, you know, go to Facebook if you're on it. Please go give us a review. Tell us what we can do to make it better. Give us a like and a share or whatever. And then, like, exactly, if you know somebody that's got a group that wants to come, we're happy to take them. It's Minnesota Whitewater.
Right, what's the picture? Somebody in a raft?
Yeah, pretty much. It's not MN Whitewater. My wife set that up originally, and that was like a person page. The business page is Minnesota, spelled out, Whitewater. If you go to the website, you should be able to click on the Facebook icon and get to the web page, or the Facebook page. And the website is just www.minnesotawhitewater.com. So we kind of got lucky with that one. I think your colleague up there thinks she's in a race. It's not a bad thing, really.